Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the best AI-powered studying applications out there. It's called RemNote. RemNote stands out because it combines note-taking and flashcards all in one place. So instead of using separate tools, you can take notes and instantly turn them into flashcards with just a few clicks. This application is perfect for students, professionals, or lifelong learners who want to retain more information efficiently. As you take notes, RemNote uses smart formatting and prompts to help you create active recall questions automatically, which is one of the best ways to study. It also supports spaced repetition, meaning the application shows you flashcards just before you're about to forget the information. And that's science-packed learning right there. The interface is clean, you can organize your topics into folders, and even it syncs across devices. So you can review flashcards anywhere, anytime. If you're serious about learning faster and remembering more, RemNote is a powerful tool to have in your study toolkit. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.